Box breathing. Box breathing, also known as square breathing, is a simple yet effective technique to promote relaxation and mindfulness. It involves equalizing the length of your inhalations, exhalations, and pauses in between. Let's explore how to practice it together. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can also lay it on your back, which is fine. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, and bring your attention to your breath. Now imagine tracing the shape of a box with your breath. We'll start by inhaling slowly and deeply through your nose to the count of 4. Feel your abdomen expand as you fill your lungs with air. This is practicing mindfulness. Once you've completed the inhalation, hold your breath for another count of 4. Allow yourself to find a sense of stillness and presence during this pause. Next, exhale fully and gently through your mouth to the count of 4. Feel the release of tension and any stress leaving your body as you breathe out. Finally, after completing the exhale, hold your breath once again for the count of 4. Embrace the calmness and tranquility in the moment of suspension. Now let's repeat this process a few more times, maintaining the equal count of 4 for each phase of the breath. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Allow the rhythm of the box breathing to guide you into a state of deep relaxation and focus. Remember, the key is to find a pace that keeps comfortable for you. If 4 counts feel too long or too short, feel free to adjust it to duration that suits you best. The beauty of box breathing is its adaptability to your individual needs. By practicing box breathing regularly, you can cultivate a sense of inner calm, reduce anxiety, and enhance your overall well-being. If you have more questions or need further guidance, please don't hesitate to ask. Happy breathing.